Welcome to Byte Further. In today's video, you'll learn how to fix an iPhone 11 that keeps restarting itself. So, you have a problem with iPhone 11 restarting itself randomly now and again. The phone gets frozen and suddenly restarts itself every 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, or so. It's a quick restart and all you see is the screen goes black, Apple logo shows up, and the process repeats. The touch buttons and the touch screen are not responding and you can't access the phone. Sometimes, your iPhone keeps restarting on its own over and over again. It seems like the device has been stuck in a constant rebooting loop, turning on and off the Apple logo. You might try your efforts to fix iPhone 11 auto restart problems but nothing works. Want to know what causes the constant restarting loop issues and figure out some solutions to stop iPhone 11, iPhone 11 Pro, and iPhone 11 Pro Max from restarting itself randomly? Now, we'll give you all you want to know. Why does your iPhone 11 keep restarting itself? There can be several reasons why your iPhone 11 keeps rebooting itself. iOS issues, outdated software, system glitches, and app conflicts can lead to frequent restarts. Battery problems. A faulty or degraded battery can cause unexpected restarts, making your iPhone 11 keep rebooting the Apple logo on and off. Jailbreaking. Jailbreaking your iPhone or installing unauthorized software can destabilize the system, leading to random restarts. Overheating. If you are using resource-intensive apps or if your iPhone 11 is exposed to high temperatures, it'll get hot and start crashing and randomly restarting at any time, like when you unlock it, when charging, and so on. Hardware issues. Physical damage or hardware malfunctions can trigger restarts. If you get random reboot problems due to hardware damage, you should turn to the Apple Repair Center to examine the phone itself. If your iPhone 11 keeps restarting itself because of a crashed system or failed update or restore, this video can help you out. Keep watching and you'll learn how to get your iPhone 11 to stop rebooting loop. Solution 1. Force reboot your iPhone 11. A restart is a good way to refresh the system. If you have trouble with iPhone 11 endless restarting, press some buttons to force reboot your iPhone 11. Quickly press then release volume up button, volume down button, and then press the side button and hold it for a while. You should see iPhone 11 stop restarting loop and shut down showing a black screen. After around 10 to 15 seconds, the Apple logo will come up. Don't be confused if you see the Apple logo again. It doesn't mean your iPhone 11 starts randomly rebooting again. Just wait a few seconds and thereafter, your device should boot up and show the lock screen. As these steps are easy but have a big effect, you can try a few more times until the device no longer restarts, gets past the Apple logo, and boots up. You won't lose data to try this solution. Solution 2, check battery health. In most cases, your iPhone 11 is unusable when it randomly keeps rebooting by itself. But suppose you can still access your device after the random restarting loop, check the battery health. Go to Settings app. Tap Battery. Tap Battery Health. See if says there is any problem with the battery that needed to be replaced or repaired. If yes, go to the Apple Repair Store and fix it to let iPhone 11 be up and running and won't restart randomly again. If you have a restart loop, where your iPhone 11 keeps restarting over and over again, try the next step. Solution 3, take out the SIM card and force reboot. This doesn't work for everyone, but you can still give it a try as it won't cost you a cent. Get a SIM card eject tool or something like that. Gently insert it and press it into the pinhole of the SIM tray. Pull the SIM tray out, take away the SIM card, and then reinsert the tray. Now, force restart your iPhone 11. Press the volume up, volume down, and hold down the side button until the device gets past the Apple logo and boots up. See if your iPhone 11 stops rebooting over and over randomly. Solution 4, fix random rebooting issues via recovery mode. There is a deeper troubleshooting trick you can try when your iPhone 11 restarts without any interaction and keeps turning on and off. That is recovery mode. How it works to get your iPhone 11 out of the restarting loop is to let you update the iOS software or delete everything to restore your device's software to its original state. Okay, in the following we'll tell you what you should prepare and how to use recovery mode. Get your iPhone 11 that keeps restarting by itself. Use an Apple-certified USB cable to connect the device to a computer. Check if iTunes or Finder software has been downloaded to your computer. If not, head to the Apple website to download it first. If yes, open it up. Next, press some buttons to make your iPhone 11 enter recovery mode. Quickly press then release volume up button, volume down button, and then press the side button and hold it for a while. Your iPhone 11 should stop restarting over and over and shut down. Then, Apple logo will show up again. Still hold the side button. Keep holding it until you see a screen showing a cable pointing to a computer. Okay, there it is. Let go of the side button and you're now in recovery mode. This step aims to enable iTunes or Finder in the computer to find and connect your iPhone even when it keeps constantly rebooting. Make sure your iPhone 11 remains plugged into the computer's USB port. Head to the opening iTunes or Finder window. A few seconds later, there's a dialog box showing up giving update and restore options. We suggest clicking the update option to do a system upgrade first. It won't delete any data and settings on your iPhone 11 that keeps rebooting loop. Suppose the update doesn't work, you'll then repeat the steps before and choose Restore to Factory Reset your device. Alright, now click the update option and then continue to follow the on-screen instructions until it starts downloading and installing the latest version of iOS software into your iPhone 11 to fix the constant restarting problems. After the update, your iPhone 11 restarts again and boots up to the home screen. Now, you can use the device as normal. If the update fails to prevent your iPhone 11 from restarting by itself over and over again, you'll need to repeat the steps to put the device into recovery mode. Then, choose the Restore option. That will reset all settings, photos, messages, and any other data from your iPhone 11. If you've ever backed your iPhone 11 up in iCloud or computer, you can easily get the data back. If not, you'll lose everything. If the issue persists after trying all these troubleshooting steps including factory reset, it's advisable to contact Apple support for further assistance. That's all how to fix iPhone 11 that keeps restarting itself over and over. Hope this video can help fix the random restart issues and stop iPhone 11 from rebooting constantly. If it does, please give it a thumbs up and share it via Facebook, Twitter, and so on to help others in need. Also, if you have any further questions, feel free to write them down in the comments below and I'll reply ASAP. To learn more tech tips about iPhones, subscribe to the Byte Further channel. Now, you can click another video on the screen to keep watching.